Hi everyone, welcome to Doll Studio. This video looks a little different because I have been so busy moving and changing jobs and lots of other stuff. So here is my new doll room. First we have the Monster High shelves. It's very chaotic and I've had to learn to let go of a lot of dolls this time. The problem is that I love every doll I see and feel the need to get it, which is a problem because one, it's spending money when I don't need to, and two, I do not have the space. I just flat out do not. So I've put a lot of my dolls on Depop, which I'll link that below, and also I have donated some. Just because I've let go of some of these dolls doesn't mean I don't like them. I do, and that's the problem. But I had to make some tough choices. Here's the Rainbow High collection, My Scene, LOL OMG. Here's my dolls from around the world. Here's my Barbie Extra Mini, my Barbie Fisher-Price, Barbie movies. I just realized I recorded that all without the microphone, so if it sounded weird, sorry, but I am not going to re-record that. Here's my Littlest pet shops. Usually they'd be on my desk, but I got rid of my old desk and I have a new desk, but it's been in storage at my nan's place, so I gotta pick it up. Anyway, here I got a Littlest Pet Shop pair from series 1. I already have the wolf and fish, and so now I have the tiger and pelican bird, big birdie. And so here's the tiger. He's got a little bit of color difference between his head and body, which I don't mind because I really like those colors together, just so you're aware. I don't know if that's on every pet. Let me know if it's on yours. And here we have purple birdie. I already have the white birdie with this mold, so I like getting the same molds in different colors. As I've discussed in a previous video, what do you like collecting? Here we have a little salad for the birdie and a little steak for the tiger. Also some circus peanuts. Here are my other molds of the wild cat, which I really love, and then we're gonna pop tiger right there. Here is my blue mold of the birdie, and I'm gonna pop the purple birdie right next to him. They look really cute together, and I can't wait to get more of these molds. Which mold is your favorite? One of my favorites is the husky molds, obviously, and the panda mold. I also picked up 2 Barbie Chelsea I dolls. Here we have Chelsea can be a teacher. She comes with a cute little outfit and shoes that's removable. I like it when it's not the molded on painted outfit. She comes with a teddy, a book, a chalkboard, and a globe. Also what looks to be glue. Here we have Barbie Chelsea can be a baker. So she has a coffee machine, coffee accessories, a pastry. She comes in a cute little blue outfit, and there's also a milkshake with her. I'm going to keep these in the packaging because they're not for me, they're for somebody else as a gift. Thank you for watching. Bye!